going to discuss about crude oil and natural gas. We will discuss that what is meant by crude oil and what is meant by natural gas. In our earlier video, we have discussed petroleum, that what is meant by petroleum, and the link of that video is given in the description of this video. So you can click on that link and you can know about petroleum. We have discussed that petroleum is general term used for a complex mixture of hydrocarbons present within the sedimentary rock, and they have been formed, or petroleum is formed as a result of decomposition of organic matter in the sedimentary rock, and it takes millions of years. So what is crude oil? Crude oil is actually the liquid members of petroleum. The liquid members of petroleum is called as crude oil, and we can define crude oil as a mixture of hydrocarbons that existed in the liquid phase in natural underground reservoirs and remain liquid at atmospheric pressure after passing through surface separating facilities. This definition is adopted after AA, PG, API, and SPE. So this is a broad definition of crude oil. Crude oil is actually that mixture of hydrocarbons which occurs in liquid phase in natural underground reservoirs, and that mixture also remains liquid at the surface or at atmospheric pressure after passing through certain surface separating facilities. By separating facilities, we mean that as petroleum is mixture of various hydrocarbons or various compounds, they also contain natural gas. So that part or that mixture of hydrocarbons which remains even liquid at atmospheric pressure after passing through surface separating facilities, then such liquid members of petroleum can be termed as crude oil. Now, what is meant by natural gas? As the name suggests, that the gaseous members of petroleum is called as natural gas, and we can define natural gas as a mixture of hydrocarbons and varying quantities of non-hydrocarbons that exist either in the gaseous phase or in solution with crude oil in natural underground reservoirs and remains gaseous at atmospheric pressure after passing through surface separating facilities. So natural gas is not essentially composed of single hydrocarbon. It is actually a mixture of hydrocarbons, as well as it contains some different quantities of non-hydrocarbons as well. And natural gas either occur in gaseous phase alone in the subsurface or in the underground reservoirs, or it occurs in solution in combination with crude oil, forming solution in natural underground reservoirs, and that mixture remains gaseous in gaseous condition at atmospheric pressure. That it means that it remains in gaseous forms at surface after passing through surface separating facilities, and such mixture of hydrocarbons is then called as natural gas. It remains in gaseous form in the subsurface, as well as it remain in gaseous form at the surface. So such mixture of hydrocarbon is called as natural gas. If you have any question regarding crude oil or natural gas, you can comment it in comment section. And if you haven't subscribed this channel yet, please subscribe this channel and click the bell icon so